favorite dun sa 4 flavors?
Why? I didn't like it.
Wow!
I told you.
Hi, good day. Today ang trip natin ay Mini Melts. So, hubby is driving and then yun, si RR. Hi, Bebeng. Hi. So, ayan, we're on the way to Shangri-La Plaza kasi nandun yung pop-up store ng Mini Melts. Nakita ko lang sa TikTok account nila and by the time na ma-upload ko to, tapos na sila dun kasi hanggang tomorrow lang sila. Pero if you're interested to know kung saan yung mga susunod nilang pop-up, then you can go to their TikTok account to check. And yung plan namin is mag-park sa Glorieta and then from Glorieta isasakay namin si RR ng MRT going to Shangri-La kasi sa pagkakaisip namin, sa pagkakatanda talaga namin, first time to ni RR na mag-MRT. So, ayun. We'll see kung worth it ba itong pupuntahan natin at sasadyain talaga namin to. Feeling ko malapit na kami kasi ang dami na naming taong nasasalubong na may hawak nung lalagyan ng Mini Melts. Sana hindi mahaba yung pila. RR. Oh my, nakita ko na. Yan na siya. Ito na siya. Like the line is long. Nakita nyo ba yung Mini Melts? Ayan siya. And then yung mga naka-line is, ayan. Ayan si RR. These are the flavors. And so, this is the first time I lined up para sa pagkain. So, this better be good. We got 2 orders of large, which is 160 pesos. Pwede ka mamili ng dalawang flavors. So, for this one, ito yung cookies and cream and then rainbow special. And then for this one naman is double chocolate and cotton candy. So, unahin na natin si RR. Sige, taste mo na anak muna yung cotton candy. Chocolate pala yan muna, chocolate.
Good.
And then,
Cotton candy.
cotton candy. You can try the cotton candy. Oh.
Apa.
Anong apo? Is it good?
100.
Now you can try the rainbow special. This one is rainbow
After
special.
this.
Sige, cookies and cream. And then, this one naman is the rainbow special. What's the taste? What's your favorite dun sa 4 flavors? Why?
I didn't like it. I don't like it.
It's okay.
And then-
So, this of mga 4 flavors,
This is
which one is...
better.
This is better. You like both?
3 of them, like
3.
Frida.
This is, you don't like this one. Okay, ako unahin ko na tong cookies and cream. Hulihin na natin yung review ni Hobby, ha? Cookies and cream. Parang medyo may asim yung pinaka-cream. And then, itong rainbow special. I understand kung bakit ayaw to ni RR. Ayaw nito. Parang alam niyo yung Nerds, if familiar kayo sa Nerds na candy, tapos ginawa siyang ice cream, yun yung lasa nito. Kaya ayaw niya. Then, let's try yung favorite ni RR, yung cotton candy. Magugustuhan niya talaga. And then the double chocolate. Okay. So, it's good naman. Yung favorite na, actually, hindi ako mamimili ng favorite ko na flavors. Feeling ko lahat ng pinili kong flavors, masarap naman. Depende sa preference. Kapag gusto niyo na medyo may asim-asim, itong rainbow special. But all these are good as well. And I would rate this one 8.5 over 10. If you would ask me if I will line up again ng ganung kahaba para dito, yeah, pwede naman.
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. Is it yummy?
Cookies and cream to?
Apa. This more.
Okay, and then this one naman, rainbow special. Then yung ayaw ni RR eh.
This more. I told you. I told you.
Oo. Sa cookies and cream,
Eggplant.
masarap siya, masarap. Matamis. Lasang cookies and cream.
Okay.
Ngayon, ito, tama ang asawa ko, lasang nerds.
Yeah, diba?
Medyo maasim-asim. Eh, hindi fan ng nerds ang anak ko, kaya ganun na reaction niya. Oh, it's good, it's good. Oo, depende sa preference. Yan, ito, cotton candy. Cotton candy. Next, double chocolate.
When I bite it, it's so soft. It makes so
Mm. Mm.
Oh my god.
What's your overall
Overall rating, 8 over 10. Tapos, kung question is kung pipila pa ba, yes, pipila pa, and then, looking forward to try the other flavors. No? Masarap siya, masarap. May mimili ka na lang talaga kung anong flavors ang gusto, ang swak sa panlasa mo.
That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and until our next food trip. Bye!